Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the browser. Sign into Gmail and open Manage Your Google account. Once signed in, go to Personal Info. This groups your name, email, and phone. Now locate the phone section. Click it to see listed numbers. You're doing this on PC because menus are fuller and verification flows easier. Make sure you're using a secure network and that two-step verification is accessible, because Google may require confirming your identity before allowing. Once you click the phone entry, you'll see Edit or Remove. Pick Edit to update, or Remove first if you want a clean swap. Google will ask you to verify, enter your password, or approve a two-step prompt, because this prevents hijacking. After verification, click Add Phone, choose the country code, then type the new number. You'll be prompted to send a verification code. Do this because Google confirms ownership before saving any change, which protects your account. You must enter the verification code sent by SMS or call. Do this promptly because codes expire. Once verified, the new number becomes your primary contact and appears under Personal Info. Make sure it shows correctly. If it doesn't, sign out and sign back in, then recheck. Troubleshooting tip. If codes don't arrive, clear browser cache or use an incognito window and confirm the carrier and country code. Sometimes network delays or incorrect formatting block the verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.